ka ng confidence na magdala ng bola kapag kami nagbabantay, kailangan i-build mo muna yun ng walang bantay, no? Paano po ba mag-improve yung paghawak ng bola, no? Kapag may nagbabantay, no? Para magkaroon ka ng confidence na magdala ng bola kapag kami nagbabantay, kailangan i-build mo muna yun ng walang bantay, no? It's logic. Kung hindi mo nga ma-dribble yung bola ng maayos kapag walang bantay, what more pag may bantay, no? So ito, ang gagawin mong drills para ma-enhance yung ball handling mo. Ang first na gagawin natin is the legs na, no? So 90-90 ang tawag dito, 50 times, no? Ayan, 50 times. And then after mo maka 50 times niyan, no? So we go double crossover, then between the legs. So cross between the legs. Then after mo maka 30 seconds na ganun, behind the back naman, behind, between. Behind, between. After mo maka 30 seconds ng behind, between, we go figure of B, then side dribble. Yan. Okay, then after nun, switch hand. Na gagawin natin drill is naglalakad naman tayo, no? So gagawin mo siya full court dapat to, pero i-demo lang natin ng sideline to sideline. Gawin natin, idol, no? One dribble crossover, no? So one dribble cross, 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 no? So papunta, pabalik. And then after naman noon, one dribble between the legs naman, no? So one dribble between the legs, one dribble between the legs, one dribble between the legs, hanggang sa makaabot ka dito. And then, papuntahan naman ulit doon, no? Papunta, pabalik, ha? Then, after naman noon, is one dribble behind the back naman. Then, papunta, pabalik ulit. Then, after naman noon, idol, we go 2 dribbles, then spin move. No? So, 2 dribbles, spin move. No, so yun, idol, yung kailangan mong gawin para mag-improve yung ball handling mo.